Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unbagging for you. But before I get into this, y'all know the drill. I hope you're all having a great day. I hope your week has been wonderful. This is Sunday. I don't even know what the date is, but I'm filming this on a Sunday, so I hope everybody's week was good and you've had a good weekend. And yeah, tomorrow's Monday. So, and I just went blank. Okay, anywho. All right, so I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, whether you've been with me from the beginning or you just subscribed yesterday. I appreciate each and every one of you. So, let's get into this bagging. This comes to me from One Day Savings, and I just want to say thank you to them for allowing me to do a review of some of their products. I'm just going to go ahead and open this bag. This is the bag. It's a pretty long bag, and they had it all folded up and taped. So my canvas is not that long, but they do have long bags for longer canvases, so that's a good thing. All right, so I only got this one canvas. Let me move y'all to where y'all can see the whole table here. So, let's get this unbagged. This is a poured glue. Got a drill. It comes with just your regular toolkit, which is all you need to diamond paint, which is a stylus pen, a boat, and a thing of wax. Now, looks like the drills are in these little bags, which is fine. It does not bother me one way or the other. The only thing that I do wish they would do would put, label the drills with the canvas code and, I guess the name of the canvas or whatever. So, this is a poured glue, so I am going to bring this over, flip it over, and just try to get it a little bit flat. Now, this is the canvas that I got. It's a 40 by 60, and there is the item number, canvas number, SKU number, whatever. There's that. It comes 22 colors. They are all in DMC order. They have 1 through 8 and then letters from A to U. Very sticky. So let me see if I can get this to lay just a little bit flatter. And as you can see, my taste has changed just a little bit from what I normally order. I still love my gnomes. Don't get me wrong. I still like, I love color and, fun canvases. But I have started really looking at these kinds of canvases in a whole new way. I don't know why. Just one day I seen one. I was like, ooh, that's really pretty. And then I have just started leaning towards these. And I just think they're very pretty. This looks like a water painting. Sorta, I guess. Like in here. And her hat. Sorry about the glare. It's pretty clear. As you can see, And in the darker areas, it's, you know, you can still see what the letter and stuff is. I really like that. I know the colors are muted, but it's just really pretty. And I think she's going to be really pretty once she's completed. And I think with this being a 40 by 60, this is a really good size for this kind of painting. So she's got some really ice blue eyes there. Then her little dangly earrings, her hat. She's got a necklace on, looks like. I think it's pretty. Now, on One Day Savings, this is $13.72. Now, I'm not going to pull all of these out, but being that this is the only canvas that I'm going to be showing, I will open and we can look at the colors. They're pretty. I mean, like I said, they're muted, but I mean, you've got some, you know, some greens and blues. That's a bright blue. We've got this blue. In my phone, this looks darker than what it is. It's like an aqua color. And then we've got grays and some tan. We have orange. So there's some reds, more grays, some dark blues, another shade of blue, and some browns, light browns. That's probably all of her skin tone. So, and I don't mind these little bags. Is it more work? Yeah, just a little. But what I normally do when I'm kitting these up, I'll just take and I'll fold them. And you see how all of them just went down to the bottom? And then I'll snip that off and then dump the whole thing in my container. It's not a big deal. I mean, I wouldn't do like this whole thing. I wouldn't do all of these at one time. I'd just cut, you know, 3 or 4 of them off and do it. But it's not that big of a deal. I know there's a lot of people that don't like these bags, but you know what? This is what the diamond paintings started out in, were these bags. And then they went to the chains and the baggies. But this is where it all began. This right here. So yeah, y'all go check out One Day Savings. I will leave the link to this in my description box, of course, along with my code to where you can get a percentage off. Now, I don't make nothing. I don't, you know, get any kind of commission or nothing from you using the code. It's just, you know, a little bit of a discount for you. So, what do y'all think about her? I like her. I think she's pretty. And it's different. It's different from what I am normally doing. And I like it. And she's got her skew and a thumbnail on the bottom right, top left. So, yeah. Alright, y'all. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of her. Again, check out my description box, and I'll leave the discount code and the link to her in there. So all you got to do is just click on it, and it'll go straight to this canvas. But while you're in there, just make sure you check out all of One Day Savings, because they have all kinds of canvases. They have got everything that you could ever imagine. So go check them out. So, all right. That's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. And, you know, just make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. And until my next video, I'll see you all later. Bye, y'all.